it's Kalia here, and I'm here with my little sister Nyla. She wanted to do a slime video, cutting open squishies with the slime that I just made her. This is just like all different colors. Well, we have 4.
And we have 5. A friend, and he's squishy.
Yeah, we have this little squishy friend. Okay, we don't have that much time. Oh, here we are. I love slime. Can we cut this one open? Hurry up and get my toy out of it.
Okay.
I mean, hurry up.
Hold up.
Be careful with your scissors, guys. She's well trained with scissors, so. Ooh, hurry up, please. Here, let me help. Ugh. It looks like a pink one. We got it, guys. I haven't played with Shopkins in a long time, so I know none of these people's names. My sister knows their names. I don't. Let's put the slime in a little baggie so it won't dry up on the carpet. Oh, let's do this one. I love this color. It's like a mint green. Look at it. Alright, let's cut that one open. Cut it open. Oh, this one came out easily. I definitely don't know his name.
He's a chocolate one.
Because I don't play with Shopkins so much. Only if she wants me to, I'll play with him. And we just make up names. Oh, so let's cut up this one. It's a yellow one. Oh, there's another one.
Okay.
And I definitely don't know his name either. Alright, let me cut up the last one. And here we are. Okay, it looks like it is minty glow. I don't know. So thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you go and check out Nyla's YouTube video.
And cut over to my next video.
Nyla TV. Thank you guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye. Make sure you click to Nyla videos.
Bye.
Bye.